Is that possible to create world's first real Jarvis integrated helmet?
So now it's 6 a.m. and just watch this.
Hey Jarvis, just open the house light and make it something blue.
Turning on the lights and setting them to blue, sir. The lights are on, sir, and bathed in blue.
Well, in this video you are just gonna find this out. Isn't that right, Jarvis?
Yes, sir. It's possible to create a Jarvis integrated helmet. And in this video, you will show this as well.
So just let's skip to the video so you can watch the whole progress. It's 6 a.m. and it's still printing. You can see that it's 4 a.m. and also you can see that we have a huge mess right here. I think I should not sleep those 2 and 3 days to make this Jarvis integrated helmet properly. So now it's actually now 5 a.m. and so tomorrow, after getting some sleep, I am just going to put all these magnets in these fields, in these places. You can see that like that. Now I just woke up and I'm gonna go and get some stuff to get everything, because we also still need some equipments to build that Jarvis. So I'm gonna go and get them. I came to the market and I need to buy some stuff. I need to make the surface so clean for the helmet. I need to make all these connections. I need to fix it. Let's buy this stuff so we can just go home and make all these connections. Actually, I don't believe that I can build this Jarvis integrated Iron Man helmet, because there's like I said, there's much things to do. We just bought all this thing and now it's just time to go home and, like I said, put all these things together. So let's go. So now I just got home and I just walked 5 miles to get all this stuff that you can see that. So now you can see the mess right here, but it's not a problem for us because we are going to use those garbage filaments to create a glue stick to attach all this helmet parts together. This is the waste of the AC filaments. So I'm going to mix these two together to get a glue stick so we can just easily attach those helmet parts together. So do not try this at home because the acetylene is actually not healthy for your health. So you can see that now all we need to do is just we are going to put a little bit. You're just going to close it. Like I said, do not try this at home. We need to mix a little, like this. You can see that we need to. But I think we just put a little bit more acetylene, unfortunately. So I'm gonna add more AC filaments in this place because we just added too much acetylene in this jar, in this bottle. So I'm going to add more AC filaments, and after that we are just going to attach this helmet with this mix. So let's go. So now, yeah, it's becoming something really sticky. So let's skip to the magnet part. Now we are at home and I'm waiting for this to become something really sticky. So we need to put all these magnets in the places. You can see that. So let's make it. Can you see that? I'm moving this with my hand. So now you can see that we made all this progress and we put all these magnets in the place. And right now we are going to test it where it's empty in the helmet. So we can just put all this electronics in the inside. So it's good. So I think this is just so cool. Hey Jarvis, you there? Wait a second, this part is empty, so we need to. So now we can put it on the helmet. Now we can see that this is so good. We just saw where it's empty. But of course we are not gonna make all these connections just with this magnets. We are just gonna attach them with this AC filament and acetylene. But before that we need a sandpaper to make this surface more clean. So after that we can just paint it and put all this electronics. Like I said, there's not much things left maybe. So just let's go. So by the way, we also are going to attach these little parts as well. So let's do this. I attached this part as well right now. You can see that. This was my dream actually. Always chase your dream. So you can see that we are printing the base of the brain of the Jarvis to make it more flexible in the helmet. So now I just woke up. This is much stronger right now, but of course I'm gonna make some sandpaper on this section to make it more cleaner. So like I said, we need to make all these connections, we need to put all these electronics in the inside, we need to paint it, we need to make a lot of progress still. So like I said, let's see what we can do. Yeah, even though you may think that it's been just 10 seconds since the last clip, but it actually been 10 days for me because I just got some rest, because unfortunately I just couldn't focus on this helmet because, you know, I don't have so much good equipment, so I could not focus on this helmet and I could not just record the whole progress. So we just created this helmet. I think this is so cool, but unfortunately this servo is not working. I just broke this servo and I just need to get a new one, and after that we can just open this faceplate and close this faceplate with the voice command. But of course our purpose was not to create a helmet just by that can open like that. So our purpose was to integrate this Jarvis that we created and improved for months, for approximately 6 or 7 months, and we just integrated this Jarvis in this helmet. So actually that was just my childhood dream, and I just made this Jarvis integrated helmet in just approximately 30 days, 35 days physically. So I think it's not bad because, like I said, this is the first physical project that I ever made. Actually, I made some web shooters when I was 14, but this is the first something far beyond me, you know. So you can see this eyes as well. It's not bad actually, and I just thought that it would be so cool if I just put some transparent display screens on this eyes. It would be so cool if we just see all the works that Jarvis doing, and I think it will be so sick. I think this is, like I said, so cool because I never saw anyone that integrated some Jarvis in this helmet. But of course there is so many people on the internet who just created an helmet like that, but it just can open and close, and it's just hard-coded keywords based Jarvis. So you can just say that Jarvis combat mode and whoop, Jarvis open, whoop, Jarvis yes sir, like that. I just wanted to make something functional. One of the best things that I loved about this helmet is we don't need any other devices to talk with Jarvis. So you don't need to keep your computer turned on, and you don't need any third-party tools. You don't need anything. So it doesn't matter where you are. You can just use this Jarvis in everywhere. But of course, these servos are not working, so it's not necessary that I'm putting this helmet, whatever. So by the way, you can see that these are the web shooters that I made when I was 14. You can see that it can just go to 10 meters. So after talking too much, after talking so much, let's just test this Jarvis integrated helmet and let's see what is exactly this capable of. By the way, before testing this Jarvis integrated helmet, I want to say that I used lithium polymer battery that has capacity approximately 3000 milliampere hour. So it actually can work for, I don't know, 6 or 7 hours. So let's just test it. Ooh. Hey Jarvis, you up?
At your service, sir. How may I assist you?
So actually I just want to put this helmet on my head. So let's go. So, by the way, I have a long hair, so I'm just gonna cut my hair, I think. So, what's up, Jarvis? Are you there?
At your service, sir. Just monitoring the systems.
Hey, Jarvis, can you turn the house light to blue?
The light is blue again, sir. Should I alter the tone?
No, Jarvis, thanks. By the way, can you give me the weather report for the next Sunday on New York?
Information retrieved, sir. Next Sunday in New York is forecast to be cloudy with a low of 16 degrees and a high of 21. Shall I arrange for appropriate clothing to be packed?
No, Jarvis, thanks. And I don't know, just close the light.
The light is turned off, sir.
And Jarvis, can you please just close this printer light?
The printer light is switched off, sir. All dark in the chamber once more.
Jarvis, can you set a timer for 10 seconds later.
A 10-second count is active, sir. It will beep momentarily. The timer is expired, sir. 10 seconds have passed.
Jarvis, just can you tell me what exactly you're capable of?
I am essentially your operational hub, sir. I control lighting and climate controls, manage the 3D printer, retrieve information, handle communications and scheduling, and oversee logistics, all while monitoring your technical systems. Sir, is there a particular function you have in mind?
I just hit the monitor. I think it's okay. Jarvis, can you just make the room light to white? Open it.
The light is on and set to white, sir. The room is fully illuminated. Shall I adjust the brightness as well?
No, Jarvis, just actually make it red. Red is better.
The room light is now red, sir. A pleasing choice for ambience. Shall I lower the brightness for you? Sir, I am reporting an emergency. An earthquake of magnitude 4.6 has occurred in Romania. Please remain calm and do not panic.
Do you remember who I am, Jarvis?
I do, sir. You are Fatih, testing my functions as an Iron Man helmet AI, and you reside in Istanbul. Is there anything specific you'd like me to recall from our conversations?
Can you just give me the latest news on the world? Jarvis! Don't
The
leave.
world news is quite grim today, sir. Colombia suffered a massive 7.4 earthquake causing widespread fatalities, while Ukraine claims to have hit a major Russian naval base in a unique nighttime operation. Yemen's Houthis attacked a vessel, and Russia threatened retaliation for ship seizures, calling the West pirates. On a lighter note, parts of Europe will witness a total solar eclipse today. Shall I elaborate on any of these events, sir?
Jarvis, can you just find me the best meat restaurant around my location?
Searching for restaurants near you, sir. And options include at 133 meters.
Did anyone made a Jarvis integrated helmet that can control the printer light, the house light, the web search, the weather report, the reminders, timer, and other things like that, Jarvis?
While some helmets display internal controls, my programming allows direct command of external devices, such as the smart lights in your room and your 3D printer, wirelessly, without any direct physical connection between us. That level of integration is precisely what we have demonstrated. Shall I demonstrate another function, perhaps a system status report? At your service, sir. Anything else on your mind?
No, Jarvis, thanks.
Very well, sir. I shall remain standing by. Notify me if anything changes.
So Jarvis, before closing the video, please close the printer light and open the house light again and make the house light blue.
The printer light is extinguished, sir. The room light is now on and set to blue. Everything is prepared for the close of your video. Is there anything else to conclude, or shall I stand by?
No, Jarvis, thanks. Like I said, I just wanted to show you to the people who just wanted to see Jarvis integrated helmet. All right?
Understood, sir. It was a pleasure to demonstrate my capabilities. I shall remain vigilant and await your next command.
Just let me show you that thing. I mean, it's just cool. I think we just made the world's first Jarvis integrated helmet. By the way, I have a dry box. You wanna see that? I think it's so cool. I just love to create some projects like that, and I'm just trying to create something beyond me. And if you wanna see more projects like that, if you wanna see better projects in the future, and so you can just follow me on the social media, and also you can just join the academy. And if everyone wants the blueprint of this connections, all this electronics, I can just actually give this in the academy. But like I said, currently in the academy, giving early access course videos and some plugin files to teach you better voice AI assistant systems. And I just made the price so affordable so everyone can just join it. So if you have any request, any problem, any suggestion, just let me know in the comment section or in the community academy. So don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to like the video for the future projects, and just let me know in the comment section, and just see you in the next videos. Take care. Woo!